क्या ये बैरिक
इसको लाइव पे नहीं है क्या? है जो करना है
यानी सरकार जिस तरीके से ये दावा किया गया उसके बाद
और ना जरा एक
सवालों पर
जोड़ रहा है।
लो
All right, so these are live visuals that we are getting for you from Bharat Mandapam. Right now we are seeing an official who has actually come over there and stated that they have cut off the power supply of that stall. They are in fact trying to locate the official who has given these orders, and this is something that is the latest development regarding this controversy. Now remember that the university registrar has said that they have not received any such communication from the government. Let me go back to my colleague Arzu Seth, who's with us and getting us those live updates regarding this stall at the Bharat Mandapam. Arzu.
Well, yes, if we talk about the update, there are several signs that are showing us the close-up of this Galgotia's University stall pavilion, and as you can clearly see, the lights have been switched off of the Galgotia's University after the controversy erupted, and also you can see the black band barricade that has been put up now, as this shows the close-up of this particular stall. So definitely since the morning the controversy has erupted, and now as I would like to show the visuals, all the innovations, the creations that were kept on these tables are now being removed, and the students have in fact packed their bags to go from this stall. So yes, we can clearly see this embarrassing moment for the university, Galgotia's University, and they are now packing up. They are being removing their stall from this particular place. As you can see, all the things have been removed from this stall, and let us try to have a conversation. आप exhibitor हैं?
Yes,
गलगोटिया यूनिवर्सिटी।
yes, yes.
So, अभी आप लोग को क्या बोला गया? आप लोग खाली कर रहे हैं, जा रहे हैं, या फिर अभी रुकेंगे यहाँ पे?
जी हमें कुछ ऐसा बोला नहीं गया है, और खाली करने के लिए तो
I'm really sorry to interrupt. We will be releasing an official public statement.
Okay, sure.
Release.
So-
please.
Okay, so definitely what the university is saying that they are soon going to release an official statement, regarding the controversy that has erupted, and what further step that the university is going to take. But what we are right now gathering from on ground, as you can see, the empty stall of the Galgotia University, no creations, no innovation, the drones that were kept on these tables are now being removed. The, students are packing their bags to go. The government has switched off the lights of the stall, and also the black barricading that I have showed you earlier have been kept around the stall, so that it could be understood that this stall is now closed up. So definitely this controversy has erupted because of the Chinese robot, and see the particular stall now is being closed, and this black barricading, the barricade that have been put up to show that this stall has been closed for now, and now the university is saying that they will soon release a statement, and they are not giving any fresh statement as far as the controversy is concerned. But as you can clearly see, the entire stall has been closed now. There is no way to come inside this stall, and light have been switched off. The barricading has been put up, and the students are packing their bags to go back to their university. Yes.
Absolutely, Arzu. Thank you so much for getting all those visuals for us. You can see on your screens that now this stall has been barricaded, and the power supply has been cut off. Obviously, the university will now issue clarification regarding the same. All right.